Hey kindergarten, I'm here with my trusty science experiment assistant, Daniel Roos. Daniel, wave. And he's gonna help me work through this cloud model. This was something that I sent to your parents in the email. It was an idea for you to be able to see exactly how clouds, not that how they form, but how rain forms inside of the clouds and then builds up so much that...
Are you doing the water system, like the water cycle?
This is just one piece of it. So basically when it rains, the rain comes up into the high in the sky and it's in the form of water vapor. And then, which is almost kind of like fog that you might see at Ellenberger Park. And then that water vapor turns to teeny tiny little drops of water droplets inside the cloud. And then there's so many of those inside the cloud that eventually the cloud just can't hold it anymore. The cloud just bursts wide open. And when it does that, because it's so full of all of these little water droplets,
it becomes a rain cloud.
Yes, and then what happens, Daniel? The rain falls to the
ground, and then the sun absorbs it, and then it becomes a cloud again.
Eventually, that's like fast forwarding through the water cycle.
We'll learn about that later.
Okay, but for now, we're just gonna have fun with this rain cloud. So we've gotten out our supplies, and
you can use any of these items.
Yes, and parents, it's just as fun for the kids to just kind of play around with the water as it is to, you know, get the exact science down. So I would recommend, if you can find some coloring around your house, some food coloring, make sure that the water is a fun color because that adds just to the fun, right, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead, Daniel, we've got our jar, we've got our rain cloud, which is some shaving cream. Daniel, go ahead and take the water in small amounts.
Which one should I use?
Whichever you'd like.
Okay.
And go ahead and add it. We'll see how this goes to the shaving cream rain cloud. Okay, that's fine. Yep, a little bit at a time. And students, we're going to watch to see exactly what happens as Daniel adds this water to our rain cloud. So he's kind of pretending to be the water droplets that are slowly building up inside.
This thing goes fast, and it can destroy the cloud really easily, so I'm going to do it slow.
He's pretending to be the water droplets that are forming in the cloud. Was that fun? Ooh, wow, already. I'm seeing something. I'm observing something. I'm wondering if you're observing it too. Daniel, do you see it? Look carefully towards the bottom of the rain cloud. What's starting to happen?
Absorbs.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Keep going. Got a lot of water droplets there. Okay.
I'm using this.
That looks like
the
fun.
Super Scooper.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. That really destroyed it. Now we got this one.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what that one is? That one's a cup. 1 cup.
1 cup. I think this was the one that's going to destroy it.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay. Ooh, actually, though, I'm seeing some cloud come through. There's some of the blue water starting to come down. Yes.
There's a whole...
Good thing we put paper towels down, huh?
Oh, God, it's got a little...
That's okay. So if you look very carefully, you can see that the blue water is very slowly starting to drip down into the rest of the jar. Whoa. Which is effectively modeling
it's like a fall in the sink.
the rain that's coming out of the cloud. Oh my gosh, the cloud is... All right, so that's all for now. But we'll keep going making this cloud rain. Bye.